Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. I live in Seoul in South Korea. Today's topic is The Secret of the Success of All-Weather Portfolio by Ray Dalio. I was very curious about the fortune of Ray Dalio, who is famous for his all-weather portfolio. This refers to forming a portfolio with a wide variety of investments at any time to minimize losses. In short, it means stable investment. This is a picture of him giving his opinion through various media. Ray Dalio's own letter is a positive matter. This means strong will and determination. And there is a sense of righteousness that cannot be tolerated in the face of injustice. Once he makes up his mind, he always must do it. It is as emotional as a warrior with flowers. He likes fire energy because he wants fire energy to come and work on himself like a big rock or an uncrafted jewel. In other words, it means that he has a desire to pursue honor. There is a negative matter right next to it. This letter is the same as him. He has the ability to do anything like a commando. The will to push it forward is great. It means that it cannot be like me in dealing with a task. That is, he can work as a team. He likes fire energy, but there is fire energy right below the letter, which means himself. It is a word that means the same straight and exemplary behavior as a public official. It means honor. That means he can be the CEO who leads the system by organizing it and creating an organization. The other three letters are 1, 2, 3, just one, are all of the same temperament as the educator. It's the most powerful energy in a fortune, and in many cases, it's energy of energy in. As a letter that supports me, it means to pursue a stable life. The letter means mother, and it means that she has great influence and a senior old boss who takes care of him like a mother. Perhaps Ray Dalio had many opportunities to acquire knowledge before he had his own thinking system. He can actually meet someone like that, but it also means acquiring knowledge through reading. Among language abilities, writing skills are excellent, and writing is equivalent to recording. Ray Dalio likes all the ways to accumulate knowledge with a record system. So, even in the midst of running a company, they set up a system to record everything. He is also a person who sticks to principles because he has the same temperament as an educator. If John Bogle said, "Buy all the stocks," Ray Dalio is saying we should form an all-weather portfolio. This is more than just buying a variety of stocks. They say that even if you buy stocks, you should organize U.S. stocks, advanced country stocks, and emerging country economies evenly. Gold, raw material, and bond investments should be organized to be safe in any situation, that is, any season. His job role is a structure in which he wants to handle his work in order based on stability within a given system. He is a person who is very suitable for organizational life and values, guidelines, and norms. A professional group that is recognized as a model civil servant or worker and has a quick promotion. It sounds like a description of Ray Dalio. So how did he succeed in investing with the same professional structure as a model public servant? For him, powerful energy means documents, books, and all recording systems. This energy is so powerful that it can be extraordinary here. But his fortune made a powerful fortune in luck. Ray Dalio, who has good document energy and six stability, has met with fortune and seems to have succeeded in investing in documents that make money. Great fortune and good luck have made it the icing on the cake. Today, we've talked about Ray Dalio's fortune as he sticks to the principles of the all-weather portfolio. I'm also investing in stocks, but each investor has a different opinion. So I first solved Ray Dalio's fortune today because I was wondering who was right about my invest method. I'm Ligo. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.